Now, the game is, you're going to get a point if you do a junction right.
Oh, okay.
I get a point if you get it wrong.
Yeah.
And your job is to thrash me.
Right.
Okay. And what we're going to do is the approach game, whereby I only want you to stop. I want you to be able to roll the junction if it's a giveaway junction by coming at a suitable speed, and only stop if you have to stop because there's cars coming there.
Yeah.
Which means sort your approach speed out. If you're going too fast, you're going to be going, I haven't got enough time, stop.
Then,
So,
yeah,
this is what your focus is. What this will do, it will focus on you getting a really lovely speed in. If you do come in too fast, as we mentioned before, what's going to happen is you'll give an impression to people on the main road you're coming in too fast that you're pulling out in front of them is going to cause problems. You're going to be either pulling out in front of traffic or jumping on the anchors, and if you do jump on the anchors too quickly, anyone behind who can't see what you see because you're further up the road probably thinks you're going for it, and you're going to really start increasing the probabilities of being hit from behind. So really good safety reasons why we're doing this, but I want to make it a bit more fun. It's a driving lesson. Make it a bit more fun is you versus me. Every time you get it right, you get a point. Every time you get it wrong, I'll take a point.
Yeah, I'm trying to get as many points as possible.
Yeah, points might mean prizes. You never know for next week. We'll see. I might think there might be a prize up for grabs because I'm generous like that.
Right, we going now.
Move off when you're ready.
Okay.
Choke lines, but as you're moving off, that's fantastic. Well done. Okay. What's that? What have you got to do? One last thing.
Turn the indicator off.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah,
so just keep your ears out for.
To do that.
Well, yeah, you just got to tune in your ears. That your ears are taking in information as much as your eyes are for driving, aren't they? In lots of ways. So this is the first junction. Points up for grabs. Only stopping if we have to.
Yep, I think that's...
Stop.
Oh.
Didn't look down there.
Okay, sorry.
1 point to me. In fact, 2 points to me. So I had to jump on the brakes.
Oh, okay.
I had to keep you safe, mate. So there we go. 2-0.
Okay.
You got some work to do, my friend. Are we good to go now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the best thing to do is come in a little bit slower there, and you would have had time to check that way, and we could have just comfortably stopped the giveaway, moved off, and you would have had a point. So there we go. That's the game. Don't kill your instructor.
No.
Now we do have priority here, don't we? But are they going to come through anyway?
They're
it's in fact they're going to. They've already. Try and keep it just right. Again, if you come slower there, read it. If you roll it through, anyone else coming, if you stop, the chances are everyone just piles through like it's a conga.
Yeah.
So if you slow it down early, approach slow, as if it's like a junction.
Oh, okay.
You'll find that once they've gone, the people who should be giving you priority will give you the priority.
Okay.
Now, yeah, more benefits for coming into a hazard slower. End of the road will turn left.
Left, alright.
That was nicely done. Just checked your speed back there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Just so you can see around the corner, so that's good. And what this will build is your composure as well, what you've been working on for the last few weeks, haven't we? Just trying to get that composure, not let it run away from yourselves. End of the road as a reminder.
Turning left.
Turning left.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big puddle.
Isn't it? We just have to go through slowly. There's no alternative to that.
Oh.
Okay, so it's a big puddle.
Yeah, I think we can go through.
Yeah, I'm brilliant. Well done. 2-1.
Oh, yeah.
In fact, every time you muck it up, I'll take 2 points.
Oh.
I'll make it harder. Win this prize.
Yeah, it's really hard for me to win now.
Turning right, it's not. Do it well. Turning right, third exit, so it's dead easy. Just drive right.
What way we
turning right, third exit.
Right, okay.
That's it.
Yeah, we can go.
Yeah, good. Yeah, we give way to the right. There's nothing to the right, so we just rolled it round. And went around there. Okay. 2-2. Not this left. Take this left, please.
That one. Okay.
Think what speed and gear you want to see.
Can I do first on this one?
Absolutely.
It's a bit tight.
Yeah, you slow because you cannot see around that corner.
Yeah.
That car could be there, couldn't it? So I think very good. 3-2 to you. End of the road, turning left.
Oh, okay.
This one's a bit more challenging.
Yep, we can see that.
Okay. A bit rushed out, but that's fine. You got recovered. Okay. You're on 4-2.
Yeah.
Well. See? It's not a difficult.
It's not that difficult.
It's not a difficult game. We're going to stay on this road to go to Great Bowdens. There's challenging ones down there. Now the point is, if you got these junctions sussed, yeah, the car, you're there for your driving. That's the difficult bits, the junctions. It's the fixed hazards. You know you're going to get fixed hazards on your driving test because you're going to have junctions. So really, that is the big part of your driving test, because what are the 3 biggest fails on your... I'll let you concentrate on this.
Okay.
Then I'm going to ask you to think what you think the 3 biggest fails are. Yeah, he's going through, so it makes sense. Yeah, we can go through there. That's it, through there. That's right there. Brilliant. No, we could have held back, but he held back.
Yeah, I was thinking about holding
But we were there before that car,
Yeah.
so really, if we're there before, it makes sense that, well, we're there first, we should come through first. So I've turned this into a game. We'll look at the top 2 reasons for failing driving tests in the UK. Number 1, not making effective observation at junctions and not using mirrors correctly when changing direction. Ineffective observations. Now, end of the road, I'd like you to turn right, please.
Turn right.
Turning right. Think about the approach speed. Now this one, you have to stop because we're in what's called peep and creep. You know, you got to the giveaway line, haven't you?
Yeah.
And you can't tell it's clear, so you have to stop and just watch out. Careful, 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 careful. Now you need to go slower there. If you can't really slowly, that car would have seen you at the earliest opportunity. Turning right, please. We good?
Yep, we're good.
We're good. Here we go then. This time, take the next left, please. As in the left hand, not the left.
I know, that one's really confusing.
Yes, I know. Yeah. Now, if I was you, I'd come out and almost like stake your claims at that. And when you come out earlier, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. I would have come out earlier there.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can have a look, couldn't you? You can always come back again. Careful, make sure you're back in there. Because think what will come down that corner. Yeah, car coming too fast. You're in the lane longer than. So when it's that situation, you want to come in a little bit sharper and just get out that lane at the earliest opportunity.
Right.
So you're down now. It's 5-4 to me because you came up the peep and creep road too fast.
Oh, okay.
And the approach was too fast. You can see coming in there, it was not going to have any visibility just by looking what was around you there. So we should have slowed it right up and just crept up a little bit earlier there. So again, that approach was just a little bit fast, and that's what made it awkward for you. So basically, you robbed yourself of time. We're just going to follow this road, and then we'll turn left after we've cleared these cars. Okay. Surface water there, which tells you a car, if you slow down there, it shows a car might swerve out for the puddles at the last minute. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So well, that's splashing there. It's a good warning sign. Okay, just going to hold it back because I might expect other roadies to be in a slightly different place than normal. Take the next left. See what the minute's gone?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Think about your speed around this corner. That brake as you come off the clutch, otherwise it will run away. So this is why we have to hold it. That's nice. Well done. Are we okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Very good. Very good. I'll give you a point for that.
Thanks.
Yeah, 5-all. that was nicely done. The thing is, if you're one of these people that stops braking when they change gear,
Yeah.
with that slope, that car's racing off. You're not in control of it. So you kept the brake, kept the gear change through the braking, which means that's whilst you're changing gear, your car's under full control there. So that was good. Now the end of the road, you're going to turn left.
Okay.
I mean, when it comes to like dual carriageways and rural faster roads, the skill set is a lot less required than this sort of thing, working out where we're going to meet and pass cars. The only thing about faster roads is bring stuff in a little bit more.
Right.
They might, well, they could have got 2 through. That's why that gap there is wider than most roads, to be perfectly honest.
Yeah.
So we're going to go left, as you said. So think of the approach speed. Can you roll it, or do you have to stop?
Yeah, I
you
can roll
okay?
that.
Yeah, good. Well done. 5-all, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Let's count. 5-all. So you're nudging back. The thing is, on test, if the score's not something nil, you don't pass.
Oh no.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you've got to make this game 20-0. 21's not good enough. But I beat you. No, you haven't. This is why the driving test is tough. Go to the end of the road and turn right. So what happened last time? Slow. So you've got those cars coming here, so you should be able to roll it here really slowly. Are we good? Off we go, turning right then, please. Yeah. Oh look, there's a good driving instructor. Is she wearing high vis? What's all that about? Why is she wearing high vis?
I don't know.
Turning right. Double guessing a minute. Well, that predictable. Slow. Roll it in then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Very good. Okay, turning right. Now I think you could have slowed down early and spotted that earlier.
Yeah.
So whilst that first one was good, I think it's now 7-6 to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're creeping. Now, could we be moving off more efficiently with a bit more gas in the engine?
Yeah.
Moving around, rotate and accelerate. We'll work on that as well. We'll bear down the main street. Not this left, that one there. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay. Well, we're going.
Yeah, left, please.
Oh, okay.
If you can do this, then really all you got to do is a little bit of dual carriageway, a couple of roundabouts, maybe some rural roads, a manoeuvre or two, or a manoeuvre, maybe an emergency, and kind of job done, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
But as I say, the test isn't. We're not finding out if you can drive on test day. We find that out before you go to test. Otherwise, what's the point of sending you to test? I only send you to test if I know you can drive. There's not much left to prove, is there? If you prove it with me, it's a lot easier to prove it with a stranger for 38 minutes than with me for like hours.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm a much tougher examiner than the examiner. Stop here. Open the window. Bring forward. Come forward next to that car, please. Open the window. Go forward.
Okay.
I'm really relieved. I thought you were wearing high vis.
Oh no. No.
God for that. Right, we're going to move on. Carry on.
Okay.
See you, Zach. Goodness for that. What I felt. People, hello. Give us some go.